Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn on Screensaver on LG Smart TV. Here's how to turn on Screensaver on your LG Smart TV. First, press the settings button on your remote. In the menu, select settings again in the upper left corner. Navigate to General. From there, go into System and select Additional Settings. Here you'll find Screensaver Promotion. If it's turned on, simply toggle it on. This feature lets you display Screensaver and even show promotional content or advertisement from apps like LG Channels while the screensaver is active. You can also customize how often the screensaver appears, giving you control over when it activates. Once enabled, your TV will automatically protect your screen from burning while providing a visual, appealing display during idle moments. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.